Good morning, students. Great to see you again. Let's begin our today's class. Today we are going to learn about lesson number 6, verbs. Verbs as in tenses. Tenses. Tenses means time of an action. It can be present in three ways: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense. In present tense, simple present, present continuous and present perfect. Now when to use these tenses, we will learn in detail. Simple present tense. It is used to express habits and repeated actions or routine. It is also used for universal truths and facts or states that are true at the time of speaking. Example, I leave for school at 7 o'clock. Now this is an example of routine action. Rajat walks his dog twice a day. The action is repeated. So it is an example of repeated action which can be written in the present tense. The earth revolves around the sun. It is an example of general fact. My mother is unwell today. It shows the present state. At present she is unwell. Next, structure of the simple present. With the singular subjects except I, we will write verb plus s or es. For example, Rajat walks his dog twice a day. Here we have the singular subject Rajat and we add s with the verb to write it in a simple present tense. Except I, example, I walk my dog twice a day. In this, except I, with all the singular subjects, we will write s or es with the verb. For plural subjects, only base form of the verb. They walk his dog twice a day. Present continuous tense. It is used to express actions that are going on at the time of speaking. It is also used to express temporary states. For example, I am preparing for the tournament. The action is going on. We are breathing polluted air these days. Now this is an example of temporary state. Maybe in future we may get the fresh air and not polluted air. So this action is temporary, not permanent. They are building flyovers all over the city. This is another example of temporary state in which the building of the flyover will get completed after a certain period of time. So it is an example of temporary state and it can be written in present continuous tense. Structure of the present continuous tense. We use am, is and are. Am is used when the subject is I plus am plus ing form of the verb. Is. It is used when with the singular subject he, she, Ajay, etc. Is plus ing form of the verb. Are is used with the plural subjects. Example, we, they, you, are plus ing form of the verb to write the sentence in the present continuous tense. For example, I am writing my novel. He is sleeping under the tree now. We are eating our breakfast. So this way we can use am, is, are with the different subjects and ing form of the verb to write the sentence in the present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. It is used for the situation that started in the past and continued till now. Example, we have lived in this house for 5 years now. They had lived in the past and the action is still continued. They are still living. So it is an example of present perfect tense. Things that have happened up till now and may be repeated after present moment. I have attended many weddings. In the past they had attended and it is a repeated action. They have attended the meeting several times or many times. Past event still relevant or connected with the present. For example, the children have pledged to plant trees, so they are organizing a fundraiser. In this, It is an past action. They have started to play. They have pledged in the past, and that action is relevant, is connected today. For that pledge, they are organizing a fundraiser in the present. So this is an example of present perfect tenses. Structure of the present perfect tense. With the singular subject has plus the past participle form of the verb. For the plural subject, have plus past participle form of the verb. For example, we have lived in this house for 5 years now. He has forgotten about his flock of sheep. So with this we complete our today's class. Thank you.